So friend, after months of leaks and speculations, the Nothing Phone 3 is finally here. And yes, those renders were real. The phone features a misaligned camera on top, which may take a minute to get used to. Then again, design is subjective and Nothing has never been afraid to be polarizing. The big new feature on the Phone 3 is the Glyph matrix, a screen at the top left corner of the back, and it is a 25 by 25 pixel dot matrix display composed of 489 individually lit LEDs, and Nothing is doing something genuinely different with it. What they call Glyph toys, a small playful programs designed to run directly on this rear display. And you will find mini experiences like spin the bottle, Glyph mirror, rock paper scissors, and even a digital clock. According to the company, these are mini programs with constrained functionality and simple interaction models. And of course, the Glyph matrix will also show things like caller ID, app-specific messages, system status info, and more. Developers will also get access to the Glyph SDK, which means third-party Glyph toys and could start showing up. Assuming there's interest, interestingly, there's also a dedicated Glyph button that lets you cycle through these toys without walking the main display. Another new physical control is the Essential Key, a customizable side button which was first introduced with the Phone 3a and 3a Pro. A single tap on it takes a screenshot, while a long press starts an audio recording. And not to anyone's surprise, Nothing's semi-transparent aesthetic isn't going anywhere as well. The Phone 3 once again offers a peek at its internals, though it's mostly cosmetic. It's more design language than functional transparency, but it remains one of the brand's defining traits. This time though, the circular outline that used to indicate the wireless charging coil is missing, but be sure that it supports wireless charging. On the front, you get a 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED display with symmetrical bezels, and it possesses a resolution of 1280 x 2800 pixels and supports a dynamic refresh rate from 60Hz to 120Hz up to 1000Hz for touch input. And Nothing claims a peak brightness of 4500 nits, and there is an ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the screen and a 50-megapixel front-facing camera tucked into the top center. Flip it over and you will see the three standalone camera modules, and those are 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 50-megapixel telephoto. And all these three rears can shoot 4K video at 60 fps. Under the hood, the Phone 3 runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Generation 4, and Nothing claims the chip delivers a 125% increase in processing speed over the Phone 2, and it ships with Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15 with Android 16 and Nothing OS 4.0 arriving later in Q3. The company is promising 5 major Android updates and 7 years of security patches for the device, and it is powered by a 5150 mAh battery and supports 65-watt wired charging, which Nothing says can get you from 1% to 50% in under 20 minutes. Wireless charging is supported up to 50 watt, and there's also reverse wireless charging at 5 watt. The Nothing Phone 3 will be available in white and black with two storage variants, and those are 12GB RAM or 256GB storage, which cost 79,999 rupees, and another one is 16GB RAM and 512GB storage, which cost 89,999 rupees. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.